Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Chase SAPPHIRE Preferred and Reserve. The Chase SAPPHIRE Preferred and Chase SAPPHIRE Reserve are both strong travel cards. The Chase SAPPHIRE Preferred is a great travel credit card with a low $95 annual fee. You earn 5 times points on a travel booked through Chase, 3 times on dining and select streaming services, and 2 times on other travel. Points are worth 25% more when used to book travel through Chase Unlimited Rewards. You can also transfer points to popular airline and hotel partners for high value. The card includes helpful travel protections like trip cancellation and rental car insurance. There are no foreign transaction fees, so it's good for international travel. The Chase SAPPHIRE Reserve is a top travel card for people who travel often and want premium benefits. It gives you 3 times points on travel and dining and 10 times on hotels and car rentals booked through Chase. You get a $300 yearly travel credit that helps cover the $550 annual fee. Points are worth 50% more when used through Chase Unlimited Rewards, and you can transfer them to airline and hotel partners. The card also gives you priority past launch access at airports. It includes great travel protections like trip delay and rental car coverage. Overall, Chase SAPPHIRE Reserve is better for frequent travelers seeking premium perks, while Preferred is better for strong rewards at a lower cost. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.